Hey everybody, thanks for clicking this video review of AffiliFunnels. My name's Jeff with Bright Ideas Man, and I am going to get in the nitty-gritty of this cool app. If you're a newbie, this is a 100% newbie-friendly cloud-based app. You don't have to have a lot of experience to get started in affiliate marketing, starting marketing products, starting your email list. You can get started in just a few clicks and you're up and running. If you're a seasoned marketer or you have your own products that you would like to market, you're going to love this. It's going to save you some time. You're going to get it on an automated system, and it's going to be a set it and forget it and drive traffic to your affiliate offer. It's hosted in the cloud, so you don't have to worry about having a bunch of stuff on your computer. You just have to have a good internet connection. Never before seen technology creates profitable digital product funnels. This is all done for you. It's super easy, super simple clicks. I'm going to do another video where I'm going to show you a demo of how to actually build an ebook in like no time flat, how to build a funnel. What I'm going to do is put a link in the description for this product. If you have questions or want more information, click that link please, and let's continue. Okay, so build your list while driving profits. So it's list. Everybody knows that affiliate marketing and email marketing, online marketing, you're going to have to build a list. If you don't have a list, that's fine. This is going to help you build it. If you have a list, this is going to help it build more. And you'll have a bigger list. You don't have to have a website. That's nice. You don't have to pay for hosting. No tech skills required. That's very nice. And I'll show you on that other video where I demo the product and show you how to build the ebook. I'll show you the training section too. Create squeeze pages, complete products, and entire sales funnels with a few mouse clicks. It really is very fast and easy to use this, guys. You're going to be very happy with this. 100% done for you solution. They have pre-made templates. It's really just one click in the autoresponder integration. It works with all the autoresponders, the major autoresponders. Integrate with PayPal for instant payments. Who doesn't like to get paid, right? We're not doing this for nothing. So this is like 3 software tools all bundled into one. So part 1 is the Squeeze Page Builder. This will help you create stunning opt-in pages, multiple stunning templates to use. It's the cheapest way to build a squeeze page. You don't have to hire anybody off of Fiverr to do that. You can do it yourself, saving you time and money, because usually you have to send that off to Fiverr, then they have to make it, they send it back for your review. You're losing time on that. The fastest way to build your email list is with something to give away, content, and this will help you build content. One-click integration with all autoresponders. Again, works with all the major autoresponders, so that's nice. So once somebody opts in, it goes automatically into your email list, and you can start marketing that client. It's 100% done for you list building solution. Now part 2, digital product creator. Create your digital products in 60 seconds. It really is very fast to create an ebook or some sort of info teaser to get people to opt in. Use our templates to get your product started. If you don't have anything in your niche, you can use this. You can select articles from our database. It's a very extensive database. Turn articles into digital products instantly. I'm going to show you in that other video that I do where you just click on it and you pick the articles you want, you click create, and bam, you have a ebook or digital product. Create products from any URL online. That is so handy. Copy and paste articles to create products. Again, so handy. If you have your own stuff, you can copy and paste it into the system. It's going to have it there all ready to go with your funnel to work automatically, and you don't have to do it. Alternatively, select ready-to-go products from our database. This is a very large database of like PLR products, stuff where people give you the rights to license it, to resell it, and some will give you the right to put your name on it, to change it. It's pretty cool and could be helpful in bonuses if you're marketing other affiliate products. You can offer them as bonuses if somebody purchases from you. Part 3 is the done for you sales funnel creator. Build your sales funnel around newly created products. It'll integrate PayPal into your funnel. This is nice because it just puts your payment and the pay now right in there, and it's going to take care of receiving the payments. Get paid when customers purchase through your funnel. Well, we're not doing this for free, right? Everyone likes to get paid. Redirect all traffic to your affiliate offer. That's nice because you'll have a redirect page to the affiliate offer where you'll get paid. Funnel connects your projects to opt-in page. That's really nice. It's so simple to click and say this funnel is connected with this product with this, and the funnel is made. Build your list and generate profits in minutes. Again, list, and again, it's 100% done for you system. It just takes a few simple steps to start generating leads and sales with AffiliFunnels. Step 1, choose from one of the various methods to create your first digital product. Again, in that video where I do the demo, you guys are going to see this. Step 2, create a funnel, add a product, select back-end products, and add your affiliate links and payment details. Very important to add your affiliate links. Follow the prompts. It is really very, very simple. Follow our step-by-step training and tap into our proven traffic sources for instant viral traffic to your new funnels. I have several products that will help you slingshot your business to a new level. With this product, you really have no risk with our 30-day money-back guarantee. You shouldn't have to worry about that. You can get started, and I really think you're going to love it. There's a couple options here. We have AffiliFunnels Lite and AffiliFunnels Pro. 90% of the people prefer the Pro version. Now, these are introductory offers. These are going to go up, the launch, and then after that, it's going to be even more expensive. So right now, it's $19.95, and the Pro is $22.95. Again, like I said, right now, this is the beginning of the launch, so you guys can take advantage of the early bird specials. This product is going up in price, and I think that you guys should jump on board right now. You should click on the link in the description and pick up this awesome app. I believe it's really going to help you slingshot your business to the next level. Thanks a lot, guys, for checking out this video. I look forward to seeing you through this adventure. Make a comment down below. Be sure to click the subscribe button and click that notifications bell so that anytime I post a new video about this or any other product, you'll be notified. Thanks, and wherever you are in the world, have a great day.